Hi, so I just wanted to follow up and make sure we're on the same page here. So this is my voice thread. This is our class's voice thread. Um, so on my view, I can see I have this Zortea Google Classroom and this textbooks image one that I submitted. If we open it up, I mean it even plays.
Alright, here we go. Alright, so I'm using my Google Classroom.
It even plays on here.
There are not, to my knowledge, audio features. However,
The other one plays on here as well.
hey guys, so for my accessibility thingamajigger here, I'm going to be...
Yeah, so I submitted those. I mean, I do notice that mine are the only ones that don't have any views, so maybe there was some issue with posting. I can see the other ones have views. So I don't know. I mean, maybe I posted incorrectly, or I'm not really sure. So, but I did just want to show you that I feel like, as far as I know, I did everything I was supposed to. And if from my view it's obvious that I did something wrong here, that I didn't maybe post it correctly or something, if you could let me know. But yeah, I did at least just want to show you that from my view, I completed the activity on time and all that. So, all right, thank you.